Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to solve LintCode problem 1227, repeated substring pattern. So this question is one of the frequently asked questions at Google and Amazon. So please make sure you understand this question and uh, so let's go through the description. So given a non-empty string, check if it can be constructed by taking a substring of it and appending multiple copies of the substring together. You may assume the given string consists of lowercase English letters only and its length will not exceed 10,000, right? So this is the constraint. So repeated substring pattern is as you can see, for example, in this string, this pattern AB is repeated, right? So we can construct the string by repeating AB, right? So we have to return true here. But here, as you can see, we cannot find any pattern which can be repeated here, because A cannot be repeated, AB cannot be repeated, so we have to return false. So let's take one of this example over here, and we can discuss how we can solve the problem. So as you can see, like, this is the string that is given to us. So what we will do, its length is 9, right? ABC, ABC, ABC. So what we will do, it's like, let's say just is n is equal to 9. So we will have a for loop, and our for loop will actually do n by 2, right? It will start with n by 2, which is equal to 4 here, right? So it will cut this string into 4 characters basically. So it means that this is the 4 character string, right? ABCA. And it will check if 4 is can make divide this string into equal parts. So 9 cannot divide 4 into equal parts, right? So we will just continue and we will decrease our I. So I was 4 in the beginning, so now I we will decrease to 3, right? So we will now choose another substring, which is now 3. 9 can be divided into equal parts of 3, right? So this one is condition true. So now we will try to check if this 3 can be a repeated substring, right? So we will take this 3 ABC and we will loop through this string, and we will try to like append it. Like, then we what we will do is first we will get ABC, right? First 3 means, then what we will do is we will this 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. So it is 3 parts, right? So we will try to append it 3 times, right, basically. And every time we will check if it is forming original string. So now ABC, we again appended ABC, and now it's not original string. So we will continue again, we appended ABC now here. So now we found that the original string and this string which is formed by repetition, they are equal string. So in this case we will return true. If that does not happen, let's say after appending, if it does not match the original string, then we will just return false, basically, that we cannot form the original string. And then we will still try keep checking, so we have checked I first with 4, then with 3, then we will decrease the I to 2, right? After that, and after that we will decrease I to 1. So 1 is our last point. After this we will not decrease. For example, if we have a string, let's say a a a, right? So this is a length 5, right? So this is n is equal to 5 in this case. So we first division will occur like 5 by 2, which is equal to 2, right? So I will start by dividing this string into 2, basically. So we will divide this string into 2, which is a. Now we cannot make equal partition with the 5 and 2, right? Because 5 is not completely divisible by 2. So our I will decrease to 1, and in this case we will just get this first a, right? I is equal to 1 means, and then we will keep repeating this 1. So we will keep repeating 1 5 times, right? And then we will form the string a, and then we will just return true in this case, right? So that's why our I will keep decreasing until it reaches 1. So that is what the approach is to solve the repeated substring pattern problem. So let me show you quickly the implementation here. So we got the n, which is length of a string, and then we will start of our for loop, which is I will start by n by 2, right? N divided by 2. and it will continue until I is greater than equal to 1. We will decrement I in that point, right? And this one is just for the I was debugging, but here we will check if we can make equal parts, right, by division of I, right? For example, if I is equal to 3 in this case, then only we can make equal part, because 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3, right? So it can make equal part. But if we are using 4, then 9 divided by 4 cannot make equal parts of the string, so we will not consider 4 in this case basically. So that's what we are doing here by checking, and after that we will just create divided parts variable, so we will know how many parts we are dividing. For example, if it is a 9 length string and we are using I is equal to 3, then we will get 3 basically. Equal division divided parts will be 3 in that case, and then we will substring 0 to 3, right? 0 to I is equal to 3, then we get the substring, and we will append that substring 3 times here, right? So abc abc abc, that's what we are appending into string builder, and then we will compare if it is forming the original string here, right? So that's what we are doing. If it does not form, then our I will decrease, and it will try with a 2 length 2 basically, right? 3 we tried, then it will go to 2, and then it will go to 1, like that it works basically. And if we cannot find it in any of these substrings, then we will just return false at the end. So let us just take a few examples and we can try. So abc abc, so this is the one that we just was discussing. So as you are seeing, it is giving us correct answer true, and as you see, I will first divide by 2, it will go to 4. So 4 is not making equal parts, so it will try with 3, right? Because 4 did not make equal parts, so it will go and it will decrease it to 3. So similarly, if we try another string a, so now this is 5s. So if you run the test, it will now again it is true, and it will see the first it will try 5 by 2 is 2, so it did not make equal part, so it will just decrease to 1. So that's why it is true. So our solution got accepted by Leetcode. So if you like this solution, please hit like and subscribe to the channel. Your subscription will be really helpful, so it can reach to more people and they can also use these videos for their preparation in Java J2 interviews. So please try to check out the different playlist for Leetcode solutions as well as Java interviews. There are a lot of playlists on my channel. Please check it out and please subscribe to the channel. That will be really helpful. Thanks for watching the video.